above the endless sea, spreading my wings. I see the sky where no one goes. In the unfamiliar wind, I leave alone, but the dream hidden inside me calls me. I want to go higher, higher, overcoming the limits that others have talked about. When the light of freedom shines before me, I fly without fear. My dream, my path, days that unfold into the endless sky. The world that laughed at me doesn't matter anymore. I will fly to find the freedom to become me. In the lonely times, even if I lost my way, the wind told me to fly. The invisible dream, even if everyone doubted, my wings let me. The world told me to stop, but the dream whispered, go higher. Me flying in the flowing time, the real me is there. My dream, my path, days that unfold into the endless sky. The world that laughed at me doesn't matter anymore. I will fly to find the freedom to be me, like a seagull that has surpassed its limits. Spread the wings hidden inside me, fly freely to the ends of the sky. I will become my dream. Like a seagull that has surpassed its limits, spread the wings hidden inside me, fly freely to the ends of the sky. I will become my dream.